request Mrs. Nafisa Ghafoor, Principal Bekal International School, to present the annual report.
Once again, it's me, the Principal of Bekal International School, presenting the annual report of 2025. Dear parents, it's a time when you people are waiting for the awesome program of your children. At the moment, this annual report may not be so exciting, but it is a schedule that through annual report, we come to know what is happening in the school in this academic year. I know it's already too late. Parents are waiting for the Maghrib prayer. Very shortly, I will just read out my annual report without wasting much time. So let me tell you, once again, it's 100% result for our SSLC examination students with a great marking of 91.6, which is, again, it is beyond the limit like it was before, 87, now it is 91. And definitely it is my promise that we will be getting some more marks, some more exciting marks this year too. And 100% result once again. And this was our last pass out batch, was our third batch. And now we have 11 students in class 10th. And definitely we are progressing. Let me tell you about the academic, not only the academic, but also the co-curricular activities, co-scholastic, because a school is not only reading and writing, it is overall performance of a child, the holistic development of a child. Here, as we have done, this is the third consecutive year where we have won the Kids Sports Runner-Up Trophy from under the aegis of Vidya Council. We have came up as the second runner-up in Kids Sports. Now let me tell you that every year we used to participate in district Sahodaya competitions, whether it is sports or arts. We used to get a number of trophies as well as medals. Definitely within a short period of time, all my students will be coming on the stage to receive the awards, and that will be a mirror for you. You can just see the performance and the trophies and the medals which the students are receiving from here. Not only the co-curriculum activities, we also teach them the Islamic way, how to behave and the emotional, mental behavior of our children. As already Moidu Area Sir, the secretary, has already said us how the students are performing during the prayer time. So definitely all my dear parents, I am really proud that I am in such an atmosphere where the modern way of learning as well as the Islamic way is coexisting hands in hands. Again, it's a time when we have to celebrate the overall Hikmah topper. Once again, we got a child, Mariam Raula of first standard, who became the topper in the Kerala. In the whole Kerala where we are exhibiting the toppers list, it is Mariam Raula of first standard. And definitely we have 14 A+ as well as 12 A grade children. The same way, we have an exciting result in our LEAP examination too. Dear children, let me take this opportunity to just make you understand that when we participate, then only we get the result. Here the participation is very low. Parents should make the children to participate in all the examinations, because all the examinations are conducted to show how our children come up with these questions. So please make sure that your children participate in all those examinations. Annual sports we have recently completed in a colorful manner. In the same way, our management people were present here and all other executives were there. It was fantastic. Our children has come up with flying colors in the sports also. And we used to conduct general body meeting. One meeting we have already completed, and the next meeting we will be conducting in the month of February. So it is again a panel platform. I request all my dear parents to be present for the general body meeting, so that you can present your queries and we can answer them. We used to conduct motivation classes as well as for the students as well as for the parents. Because motivation classes are really very important. Always we used to say that daily cutting the wood will not make you rich, but along with cutting the wood, you should sharp your axe. So motivation is nothing but sharpening yourself. So motivation of the parents as well as students are going on. Let me tell you that our Montessori section, it is all about a complete model which is presented by Vidya Council. It is Fly 1, Fly 2 and Fly 3. It is a complete course. Within few years, this will be extended to grade 1 and 2. So Fly 1, children of 3.5 to 4.5, Fly 2, 4.5 to 5.5, and Fly 3, 5.5 to 6.5. These children are supposed to be admitted in these classes. And again, I urge all my parents that if you have a child of 3.5, it is the time to take admission in Fly 1. Because it is one of the super syllabus which is provided in Kerala under the aegis of IECI. And it's one of the best curriculum in Kerala. Nothing much. Let me take an opportunity to show my gratefulness to the management, those who have given me a chance to stand here. All the management members are present here, and I extend my gratefulness to them on this platform. And this is my 4th year as a principal. Definitely, I think I have done something for you people, and this understanding will be going on for the next few years. Please don't worry, my dear parents. Your children are in safe hands. That is my promise. Your children are in safe hands. We will do something for them. We are already doing it. We have skating, karate, as well as swimming as a co-curricular activities here. And all these things have been managed by our management. They have given super infrastructure. And again, we are going to elaborate it, enhance it in the coming days, definitely. So thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.